Hey there, in this video, I'm gonna talk about the guidelines that you should follow for making the self-introduction video. First of all, keep it short. It can be between 90 to 120 seconds. Then, what are the things that you should include in this video? At first, greetings and basic introduction. So, let me give you an example. Hello Professor, my name is Abdullah. I am from XYZ country. Currently, I am doing my bachelor program at Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen. Then you need to add your key credentials. For example, my CGPA is 3.86 out of 4. I have 7 on IELTS and I have published one research paper based on AI video understanding. My strongest skills are C++ and Python. Then you need to mention why this major and this university you are applying for. For example, I am applying for artificial intelligence because I truly believe that artificial intelligence is the future. I also have research interest in this field and I chose Peking University for its high rank, lab facilities and beautiful campus. Then you need to mention about Chinese language and cultural readiness. For example, my Chinese level is HSK2 and I am studying 10 to 12 hours per week to learn more and I'm looking forward to the campus life. Then you need to mention about your future goal and it's done. For example, after graduation, I would like to do my PhD and do more research in this field. Thank you for considering me. I hope to become your student. One special note, credentials that you should include. First of all, you need to mention your GPA or CGPA. Then your test scores like IELTS, SAT or HSK if you have. Then you need to mention 1 or 2 of your best works like competition awards, published work or relevant projects. Do not list everything. Just talk about the strongest proof of your ability. And where to put credentials? Right after your introduction. That's where admission officer expect to see why you are qualified. Keep numbers specific. Top 10% in a national exam is better than saying good grades or good marks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.